Oh wait, my microphone's been on this whole time. Well, I guess good thing I don't, like, say racial slurs to myself or anything. See, streaming has made it so I stopped talking to myself when I'm not on camera. It's been very good for my perceived mental health, as they say. But okay, welcome back to the video game stream. I'm your host, the video game. And today, we'll be streaming. But okay, so, like before, I did a little bit of work off stream. I guess, yeah, well, Saturday and Sunday I did a full day. Wait, did I do stream on Sunday? Or I did a recording on Sunday. But okay, so I need important things. First of all, I don't have bingo out. So we need E, jams, no, it's in D. Jams, Decker, bingo. There we are. Will it? There we go. Okay, so we'll shuffle that. Nothing too crazy yet. We'll see how the day goes. Okay, so what do I actually have that I want to do? The end game. Oh, I do remember why I have a 2 here. It's for spoiler reasons. Spoiler warning on the spoiler reasons. Speaking of spoiler warning. Let's see. What do I actually want to do? I guess let's fix more bugs. That tends to be something that gets me very angry. But okay, let's go through these. Getting rescued while dying should reset the fade out animation. I think it does that now. Because, yeah, let's go to the player. Right, because this was a bug where if the player died, or this was the same bug as the... Wow, the music's just building up very slowly, which I appreciate from a dynamics perspective, but not from a, like, I'm trying to, like, have background music. See, this is why I should use worse music, because good music has, like, dynamics and, like, well, I guess it depends on, like, the point of the music. Like, there is good music that is functioning as background music, which has, like, consistent dynamics and things like that. Where really what we're listening to is much more foreground music. Actually, hang on. Isn't complaining about the playlist on here? Where is it? So the music dice, capture dice, complaining about my own playlist. There we go. Off to a strong start. Didn't I double-click this? Did I just forget to double-click it? Hello? There we go. Right, okay. So the bug was when we did the respawn, or fade in, now it just stops the animation that's being played, so that should fix it. Okay, NPCs with guns are not working on the schedule. The gun is active when they're supposed to be inside. Let's see if that's the case still. Because there is a tricky bit with this where basically what's happening is... I think I know how to fix this. Basically, there's a ray cast that determines when enemies can see you, but I changed how Godot works so that back faces don't count as for raycasts, because I needed that for the player's ledge grab. But that means that if an NPC is inside a building, you can't see them, but they can still see you, and they're still like able to shoot you. Also, I'm on the wrong screen. Display, windowed. There we go. Alright, so let's teleport to 67, or was it 57? Okay, this looks good. Okay, so what it should do is, on the bridge here, they'll shoot at me, which will be good. Exactly what I want. I'm still slightly weirded out. They slightly changed the UI of OBS. Like, they slightly changed the UI for the audio levels. And it disturbs me. It frightens me. I don't like change. Where's the guy? There's supposed to be freaking guys out here. Where are my freaking guys? Lois. This is the wrong area. It can't take that long to open up the player. Like, come on, game. Throw me a bone here. This is why I should spend 7.5 years making my own game engine. Because I'll make it even slower, but then because I made it, I have to insist that it's actually good. Okay, so these guys are bugged. Oh, did I just... Oh, wait, no. I mean, they are bugged, but... Is it just... Are they on lunch? No, there should be 2 of them. Yeah, this guy goes on lunch at 2 p.m. What's our time? 2:39 p.m., so they should both be out here. Or at least one of them should be out here. Where are they? He's here. Are they both here? Okay, yeah, they are both here. Well, why are they here? Okay. Okay, that seems fine. So let's do... I guess let's save here. Also, I should just make the save and quit save the current checkpoint. In fact, I'll add that. Don't I have that in here somewhere? Oh wait, I didn't. I started in the wrong monitor. Isn't that in the to-do list? Or isn't that... Dang. Not on the to-do list today. Okay, options, display, full screen, windowed. Because I swear I have this in here somewhere of like points. Features and main menu. Oh. Why is this? Oh, I see. Also, eventually I should make it so that it does not expand everything automatically. Because basically these are all getting expanded because of game crashed. Whatever. Collapse everything. Get back to where we were. NPCs with guns are this. So they're just broken double. So. And while I'm here. Save. Sync. So let's just do save current checkpoint. Though actually... Ooh, but this does a save async. No, we can't do that. Let's just do that. Let's do like global dot set game state dot player or checkpoint position equals player dot global dot get player dot get save where the hell is it? I think it's called get save transform. It's just not doing autocorrect for me. Right, because I have to do... Can I do this? Am I allowed to do that? Because Godot, or GD script is a half-broken clown language, so... I can't trust... Like, frequently it'll break. If I do any sort of dependency like that. Especially with custom types. Oh wait, I forgot. Okay. This is the first time that it's actually on the bingo, or that I actually hit this, where I accidentally started in the wrong monitor 3 times in a row. Okay. Back, back. Save, and quit. Now, video game should work. And admittedly now there's not much point to the checkpoints. Or the whole checkpoint... Well, I guess there is still, but... Okay, so these guys are still not out here. Okay, so I do see, though. They are... Okay. So he came out here at the wrong time. Okay, well, it's 2:50. Is that an appropriate time for this? So, I guess he does have a break at 14. And we do have half an hour plus up to an hour randomly. Okay, so he's out here at the correct time. The other guy should still be out here, though. Like, I didn't, like... Why isn't he out here? So we have sort, and then we have... Like, when we go up here... So set quiz process false. And then when we go up here... If auto start. So these should both be true. So they should be checking for updates automatically. Hopefully there was no audio corruption on your end from that. I think I may need a new microphone at some point. Did the music stop? Or did it just... Okay, I think it's just a quiet song. Video game? Hang on. Okay, I hear it now. The faintest hints of music. But okay. So this should be startup. Get tree. Current scene has time. If the current time is greater than the updated time. So we have go home as our newest... Oh, wait. Okay, I see. No, I don't see. Do I see? If iTime is greater than updated item, or is updated time. Go home. Late action. So we should have a new action. If new action. But doesn't this guy also have an action at, hang on, let's see what his schedule looks like. Alright, this is going to be a nightmare to look at. Because, yeah, each action. Okay, 6 a.m. go to work. Why at 11 do we not... Why do we have go to work twice? Go home, go home. What? Okay, so I think I just did something wrong with his logic then. Because if the break time is 12, and then we do go to work plus 0.5, plus this, go to work. Like, because this should be a positive number. Unless it's just not a positive number here, I guess. I guess I can do... I'll just do this then, I don't give a shit. Just throw an absolute sign in there. But okay. In fact, I can double check what F is. Okay, so it's just negative, what the hell? I didn't even know that was possible. I guess I should have known. This is why static typing wins. Because if I knew it was int and not unsigned int... See, now I'm thinking with gas. Okay, so now... Okay, now he's out here. Good. So now that's working correctly. And now we can actually start on the work that I was supposed to be doing. In fact, don't I have 15 minutes of unplanned work on the bingo card? Not today. Not today. I guess I'm lucky. Who wins? I've never actually figured out who wins when the bingo is hit. I think I win still. You lose if I get bingo, because the game isn't going to come out if we get bingo. But okay. And also my butt is falling asleep in this chair. Speaking of, I have a load of laundry that I've forgotten about that I probably need to get out of there. I think this is a good start to the stream. I'm going to be back because I have to get my laundry because I don't want it just sitting in there. You know, that's bad for it. That's how you get wrinkles. Always get your clothes, kids. Only the finest for my viewers. But okay, so that was definitely on the bingo. I saw it. 7 minutes. There we go. But okay. So what I did... Oh, I ran status twice. Oh, right. Also, there's some player stuff in there. Init star.dialog. What? Oh, wait. What the hell did I just do? Oh, okay. Git add. Git commit m epic. No. Spoilers. Git add dot git commit m some random bugs. Okay. Now we can fix the actual issue, which will be, I'll show you this. This will be cool. CSG box. Let's see, so we have use collision, invert faces. They're going to be in a box. That's the solution. If the raycasts go through the world, then or go through back faces, then just have the raycast hit a front face. See, and this is more realistic because now there's actually a room behind the door. Fact. Look at that. It's downright real now. It's physical. There's a physical space, physically based rendering. But okay, let's see if this works. So this should mean that the NPCs can't see me. Didn't I fix this actually? Didn't I just have it so the guns aren't active when they're in their home? I mean, I guess I'll just... Because I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm pretty sure they literally just don't have guns. Like, I already fixed this bug anyway, so it's like, I guess this double fixes it? Oh wait, let's do... I know what to do. Set time 22 or 2300. Yeah, it's just I already did this. It works. You know, I should put that on the bingo card. Fixing a bug that was already fixed in a different way. Let's put that on here. Hang on. Items. Don't I have... Oh, I don't have a new thing for that. I need to go to widgets. And then... fixing a bug I already fixed. Okay. And of course... Oh wait, no, okay. I was confused because this looked like it was on top of it, but it's just because these were like aligned like this. Tangent lines, kind of. Visual continuity is more accurate. But okay. And also, don't I have... Let's put that on the bingo card on here. I don't. Oh wait, I did talk about a future project though. Spending 7 years making a game engine. I think I'm gonna make... I'm really violently gyrating between my project in D, doing something in Common Lisp, or going whole ham and making a like statically typed small talk environment. But okay, make it look interesting. That's not really a bug. Like that's not... It's like, yeah, great. That's... But okay. Git commit am fixing a bug I already fixed. Twitch is freaking out. It keeps saying welcome to the chat. I see. Something wrong with the bit rate. I think Let's pop this out again. Yeah, how's the stream doing? Is it like 40 seconds? Oh wait, no, it's because it's because I paused the stream on my end, so now it's there. Poor network connection detected. I have fucking gigabit Ethernet. What the fuck is happening? Hang on. Internet speed. I might have to at some point get rid of this router because I think it just straight up can't handle. Yeah, no, it's 800. Yeah, that's like, this seems like, I don't know if I'm a scientist or something, but this seems like an acceptable like amount of megabits per second to stream a video game, or no, to stream like. I mean, these streams are usually on the order of like 3 gigabytes for like 4 hours of footage. Because most of the window isn't changing over time, and that's very good for video compression. So like, I'm probably sending like, yeah, I'm sending 1900 kilobits. I'm sending like 1/5% of what my computer is capable of, what like my Ethernet is capable of sending. How is the connection unstable? Oh, wait, I have 6 viewers? What the hell? Huh. I guess ranting about how unstable my connection is benefited me. Wait, it says my session is 1 minute. What the fuck is happening to my stream? Is the bitrate good? What does gray mean? What does the gray number mean? It's usually either green for good or red for bad. Gray is, I guess, ambivalent. It's ambivalent about the quality of the stream right now. Whatever. That's not important yet. I will put that on the bingo, though, as, do I have the stream dies? OBS dies. Let's say capture dies. I think this counts as a capture dies. It doesn't count as OBS dying, though. I think it's something in between the two. But okay. Not just dialogue about Jackie's mom should happen while you get the poem. I think I already did that. Let's go to this. So this is major quests, letter delivery. This should be fixed now. Or this should be up to date. The little thing that's in there. But okay. Natya. So medium. Yeah. Wait. How goes the climbing? So I brought you out here. Didn't I? What the hell's happening here? Hang on. Hello, hello. Not stat blah. Not stat this. Not just face lights up. Note mum. Okay. So this is the first thing. So let's just put this at the top, because this is when you give Natya her letter. So that should be above all this stuff. So when we get the poem... Ah! Okay, I already do that. Natya questioning. Okay. And this should be... Okay, and that's if we don't have that stat. Okay, good. So I fixed this one already. I just didn't remember to put it in here. Okay, there should be a way up the mountain to the lake. This could be fun. Admittedly, well... Do I need to fix bugs during my bug fixing, or could I spend a day modeling some stuff? Because basically, there's this ungodly trek from basically right here up this mountain down to here. And for comparison to how this actually, or for like size reference, this little section here, well, one, it's 500 by 500 meters, so you're going like 3 kilometers. But so this is like an entire city. So yeah, let's think about some fun stuff that the player could do up here. Let's get a, like, what am I looking for? Day, night. Let's get my screenshot. There we go. Because that gives a little bit less what have you. And a little bit less collision shape. Because I want all of this. Because I want to think about all sorts of wonderful things that I could put up here. And this is also an opportunity for another bingo slot, so keep your cards out. Because if I don't actually paint anything, this bingo gets hit. Let's see, I want a full-on... I guess I don't want that. I was trying to do orthographic view. But I'll settle for just... that. No, I can go. Okay. And I even know where my tablet is. Who knew putting a thing in the same place every time would make it easier? But okay, so we got our little city here. You know, huts are about yay big. Oh, I can't span. Let's look at ideas that I have. Because it should be... Don't I have, like... idea? Random ideas. Jackie walking through the night helping deliver some large object. Sound is completely cut at some point. Interesting. Make sure to have the classic thing that you can get to early. Ah, okay. It has no significance until later, then it sends a chill down your spine. So like a basically like a... like an adventure for Atari moment. For everyone who's played adventure for the Atari. Okay, soldier shoots somebody there as they're crawling away. The soldier calmly walks up and kills them. I don't know if these are like... These are sort of strange ideas. Fun ideas. Oh wait, no, this is a specific quest. Other ideas. What do I have here? Oh, the Warden Loves Machines has a cool workshop. Oh right, I could make the quest to get the cell phone. Setting ideas. What are some setting ideas past me? Tell me. Great, thank you. Abandoned clinic. Pretty good one. I mean, we can just put this here. Oh, I already have it. Okay, let's just brainstorm some ideas then. So I do actually kind of like... So we could show something like Liberation Front, because there's basically a faction here that is anti-Emirate. And we don't really see any of that. Like, this is an Emirate stronghold. And this is meant to be sort of an anti-Emirate stronghold. So the question is, why do they not come up here? I guess I could just make sure, for one, this is a really precarious area. So what I'll do is make, well, I know. What was it? Playtest, letter delivery. There should be a way up to the mountain lake. So, like, let's do, like, make the cliffs more dramatic. Imply the struggle between the Liberation Front and Emirate. And I should be nice and capitalize them. The abandoned clinic kind of makes sense. Abandoned buildings. Abandoned buildings. Farm villages. I guess, like, because they're going to be... I think this is mostly an area of, like, goat herders. At least on this side of the river. And then maybe around here as well. Yeah, because this is also... I mean, it still looks bad. But oh well. So let's do maybe abandoned clinic. Maybe the guy who gives you your phone. I know. Cell tower. Because, I mean, this is a high place, so it would be useful to have, like I think, like, right... Where would it be? I think here would be a very practical place for a cell phone tower. So to beat the bingo allegations... Oh, wait. It's not even on here. Yep. I think we're not even going to be... I think these are not going to be useful at all. So you know what? Well, hi, welcome back. I've completely forgotten the context in which I said things. But okay. Oh wait, no. Make a screenshot, never paint. Wow, this bingo's getting promising. All I have to do is write words I'm saying instead of what I mean, so if I write any dialogue, we can keep an eye out for that. And if OBS dies, this could be the first bingo, but I won't get my hopes too high. What's in here? Is there like... Oh, okay, I see. There's just nothing there. Okay, let's just go to Blender now. Let's make some cool looking terrain. And then that will be the canvas on which I paint the other stuff that I've forgotten. Oh yeah, the cell tower. That'll be cool. Okay, here we are. I need that. So yeah, a lot of this. Ooh, this side, Yeah, that could use some work. But let's start with... Well, I won't fiddle with this too much. No, I will. It looks bad. Like, it's all mushy. In a way that's very unappealing. But what I'll do first is just... Let's get this... Oh. So what if I did it like this way? So that gets us here, and then I want to put a little pond here, actually. So, like, this comes down, this will come up. So that way there'll be a bit more explanation for how this river came to be. The music is no longer with us. Oh, it just, yeah, it just stopped. Are we still in the playlist? I guess so. Okay. Alright, where is that on the... Don't I have... Yeah, there we go. Yeah, strong start with this bingo. The night is young. So I'm going to try to get this looking a little bit nicer. So that way there's some, like, reasonable way that a player could think, like, ah, yes, there is water that could flow down this way. And then maybe even, like... Well, like, why wouldn't it just flow, like... I guess this makes sense. So it'd be, like, this way. Next, I'm trying to think, like, where is the water coming from, really? It'd be coming from the snowfall from here. But then, like, I guess that's fine. Actually, oh. I frequently can't tell if Blender is, like, lagging, or if I just pressed the wrong button. Okay, let's get this a little bit less like, you know, I clearly drew some, or like grabbed a paintbrush and painted a line crudely in there. That's not, well, I know what I can do. I can just grab some stuff. Like, get this. push it like that. And I should probably add a triangulate modifier to all of these. What I'll do, let's try it on this one first. God damn. Oh, wait. I see. Okay. Tab. Triangulate. So that way, yeah, it'll do what I want basically automatically, which is automatically correctly put those meshes there. So yeah, because I can do like that there. In fact, what I should do, hang on. I know how I can do this. Let's use Blender scripting. Eventually, but I won't do that now. I'll just put that in here as, that'll be like features, use a Blender script to triangulate meshes or terrain. And that'll just be a one-time thing that just triangulates them automatically. Because otherwise, I'll be just miserable. Or like, I shouldn't, yeah, because basically I shouldn't do that until I know it's actually going to be needed. Oh no, not until it's needed. Basically just when, like I should set aside context to do that rather than taking over this task with some other thing that isn't as important. I should probably look at like mountains to see what they actually look like rather than just winging it like this, but I don't want to bother. Yeah, this hill would be perfect for a tower. But okay, let's say that that's probably fine enough for now. Because this area looks like garbage. Like, this thing here, I have no idea what it is. Like, is this meant to be like a dune? Is it meant to be like rocks? So let's push it up a little bit. Let's make it more rocky and interesting. Yeah, so that way we have some cool stuff, and then here we got some cool stuff, and then I guess I can keep this as it is for now. I don't like this very much though. Yeah, no, actually, like, this all looks like garbage. Actually, can I just do... What if I go to sculpt mode? So can I, like, relax this stuff? How does this work? Can I, like, blob? Is this doing anything? I don't see a thing. Oh, I see. Okay. It only affects the active layer. That sucks. So I have to be in clown mode instead. Because yeah, I just want this stuff to be relaxed. Nope, and that only affects the active thing as well. Okay, whatever. I'll just live with it. I will at the very least make this not so dopey looking. Tried to make this cool, and it failed. And also, like, look at how deep this goes. Insanity. Like, it can be a little bit more, like, reasonable. Though that's gonna also make the... I have to redo the fountain now, but I will. Or redo the waterfall, but okay. That's fine. Here. Get this stuff. So I'm thinking here as well. I would like this all to just come up a little bit more. How the fuck does this work? Why does up and down not scale things? Left and right scale things. And of course it scales them at like 4 FPS, but that's another issue entirely. But, okay. So that gets that, which will probably confuse the player actually. So let's also make this less... Let's do like loop tools... flatten mostly. And let's get the worst of these. Oop. Oh, I see. So if I do O, 0. So the player can easily see what I'm doing over on this side. Do I have... Is there gonna be, like, anything over here? Because I guess this makes sense, is like... This is also another little stream area. But, I think it should be, like, a little bit more constrained. Let's do it like... this, though. Yeah, I wish I could use the sculpting tools on this whole thing. I guess I could, but it would be a huge disaster, now that I think about it. Because I could get all these, join them together, and then split them based on loose parts. And that would be horrible, because then all of the modifiers would be applied to all of them. And yeah, it'd break literally everything. That'd be untenable. Okay, let's also make this this side here. So I'm thinking this stuff just come out a little bit more. Like, this is kind of becoming my go-to strategy for, like, making terrain look better. For this... Huh. I guess I'll try this again. By just doing scale Z. So it's going to be, like, flat. Mostly. I think at some point there should probably be, like, actual river here. Or at least a little bit of water trickling down this way. Look at how terrible this looks, though. Yeah, I think I should cave and just write the script to apply the triangulate modifier to all of these. Oh wait, I did not realize that that was basically completely flat. I thought it was like a little varied, but okay. Let's go here. How do I make it? I wish there was a way that I could scale by an arbitrary axis. Because I want to scale more in like this direction. But oh well. Yeah, that looks kind of neat. This is completely fucked. Okay, maybe... Well, first off... Nope. There we go. Shouldn't mess these up so badly. Okay. So I think here, to make sure the player isn't confused, I'm gonna get this... Oh. And just push it up a little bit, so that way it's more like a... You know, there's like a waterfall, but then it's clear that this way is the way to go. Ideally. And I don't have the faintest idea how players will actually navigate this, but let's do that. Did a bit of cliff modeling. Wow, it's slow. Wait, does this thing actually... I just realized. Oh, wait, no, okay, so it does export on save. Weird. Okay. Let's do the script now. Python editor. Text editor, I guess. So let's see what this looks like. For object in bpy.objects if name.find. So this is... Oh, okay, so this just deletes all of them. I mean, I could also just run this first. Oh, wait, no. I shouldn't run this first. Maybe. Let's just do... triangulate equals... object dot modifiers dot new name equals I guess it should be triangulate type equals triangulate. Let's see if this works. So this will generate my low-res mesh, and it should add these things. I mean, actually, does this... Do I need to put this in a group, like these vertices? So we have, like... Transfer object equals... Oh, wait, no, okay. That makes sense. It's getting the data transfer from the source mesh. Okay, so I'm going to try running this. Oh, it didn't work. Low res can't be selected because it's not in the view layer. View layer. Oh. Okay. Runtime error object can't be selected because it's not in the view layer. View layer. Just grab the fucking... No, no. The outers are fine. It did delete all of the low res. So there should be... I guess I do this. Does it work now? Like, does this work? Okay, so all of these should now be there. And we have our low res. And I think that can be removed for now. I guess actually, it shouldn't be disabled, it should just be unchecked. But okay, now these have triangulate modifiers. And... hopefully, they don't have two. Because if they do, I'll be embarrassed. Well, I did run it twice. Okay, so I think they're probably okay. And does this... Okay, endgone method beauty. Minimum vertices 4. Shortest diagonal. Yeah, okay. That'll make sense. Actually, what could we do? I should have set... Hang on. I think I can do beauty. Okay, I think I set it for all of them. Maybe. Because if I didn't... Okay, look at that. They all are now beautiful. Look at how much more beautiful it is. Huh. Yeah, because we have a lot fewer, like, weird artifacts. Or a lot less aggressive artifacts with, like, my terrible edge flow stuff. I could even bevel things. That'd be crazy. What if I, like... So, like... Hang on. Check this out. Add modifier. Bevel. This is gonna obliterate this. But then if we did, like, 2 meters... Like, look at that. That could improve things. Somewhat. In a way. I kind of want to test with this, but what I'll do first is I'll just git commit am triangulated terrain. Because the nice thing is I can actually get all of these. So we can do, like... Let's go back to the text edit mode. Name dot begins with, or not name dot starts with chunk. Then we can do bevel equals object dot modifiers dot new name equals bevel type equals bevel. Let's look for bevel modifier blender. Blender scripting modifiers. General information script. I guess operators maybe. No, because we should have. Modifier add type equals this. This is, how old is this? 4 years ago. It's already different. Last time somebody just got ChatGPT to figure it out for me, so I might have to... Hang on, let's go to bing.com. Let's go to... is it Copilot? How to... So in Blender, scripting. How do I... Or what fields are in the bevel modifier? Maybe I can just do, I know, b pi bevel modifier. Okay, it is just here. Affect angle limit. Let's do that. So bevel dot angle limit equals. Actually, now I also need to check if the modifiers, like, how do I check that something is in an array? Like, if I did, like, I don't care. I'll just run it once and it'll work. So it equals 60 degrees. Bevel dot size will equal like 2. Spread distance for inner and outer segments. Use clamp vertex group width. Okay. Bevel dot width equals 2. Okay, so we'll save, and then we'll run, and if it looks bad, I'll give up. Okay. Run this. This will also give us brand new low res, which will be fine. Oh wait, did it not? I think, oh god fucking Christ. Good fucking Christ. Hang on. Let's remove this now. And then we'll rerun the script to delete all of these because the objects need to be visible to be selected in the script, despite the fact that it is a script. Because it physically simulates clicking the mouse and whatever stupid shit it does. Like, I like the idea of having a scripting API, but it is so miserable to use. I feel like that's probably the big reason that people, like, don't use it professionally, is just because, like, good luck modifying it. If you have anything that you need that's, like, non-standard, it's like, good luck. But okay, now there's going to be less of the weird... Well, now there's going to be, like, more just funky stuff. Oh wait, I just realized, for all of these, the bevel needs to be above the triangulate. Can I do that? No, that's going to be... does it matter? Oh wait, I think I did that I think I did actually modify all of these. Maybe? No. Okay, it was just for that one, it cost a lot. Actually, let's see if there's any perceivable difference. So here, what if I did bevel and then triangulate? It takes 75 years to calculate it, but it doesn't seem like it matters. Though I guess the only place that I've actually seen it do anything so far is, like, here. No, this just isn't... Actually, yeah, that's just not, like, correct. Like, if we did this... Like, does this... does this do anything? No. That doesn't look right. Yeah, this does nothing. Except for, like... golly, it hates this bevel modifier. Yeah, that does nothing. Get status. Get log. What did I do last? Was it? Yeah, I did that. So that's fine. Get reset hard. Because that should look perfect and beautiful. And now we'll save it, export it, and we'll call this good for now. And we don't have... Okay, and we don't have the triangulate. Oh wait, did I remember to... I did not remember to apply the modifier. Let's do that real fast, because I don't want a bunch of seams everywhere. So are these... Why is this not correct? Oh, I guess I see. Maybe, kind of. Yeah, because this one should have, like, a data transfer from here. I guess, does this... What groups are these even? Hang on. I don't care. Yeah, okay. It's, well, let's select. Okay, so it actually is correct. All right, I don't need to see any more of this. Don't save. Oh wait, hang on. That's a nonsense commit message. Okay. Oh. Okay, so not a damn thing has been improved or meaningfully changed yet. I think let's just go up the chunks. Let's just see what chunks I am actually going to start encountering issues on if I choose to walk up this way. Okay, and then set time 10. Cool. I've already fucked it up. Like, what is this doing here? Why is this showing like this? Oh wait, I know why. It's because this is the low res. I guess it just never had one. Take your time, Godot. Okay, world. I think game is crashing. I don't know. I'm just gonna stop it. Who cares? Okay, yeah, this. This. Chunk terrain crown low res should have the material terrain and hidden. There we go. You can't even tell there's seams. It's perfect. It's beautiful. It's like Jack Skellington's girlfriend from the What Have You, The Nightmare Before Christmas, the What Have You Before Christmas. That'd be. I was gonna say funny, but not really. Like the What Have You Before Christmas. Like it's only. I'm only chuckling because that would be such a stupid title. Which I guess that is funny. Well, I guess not even like. It's not even stupid in a funny way. It's like stupid in a kind of obvious, like, dad way. Okay. Let's go this way instead. And then, once we're in the safety of the night. Okay. Let's go back to where I'm supposed to be. So, the goal is to make the trek from here all the way up the mountain to here a fun and enjoyable thing. Or at least, like, the start of a fun and enjoyable thing. So yeah, we have this area. So yeah. Currently does not look much like what a stream would actually, or like a river would actually look like going down such a steep slope. Like it would start to exaggerate the pits of it as it carves out this rock path. So it'd be a lot more stair steps. But oh well. I guess I should probably climb it on foot. Well, the player is supposed to be able to get the hover scooter pretty early. But I guess I'm also intending to balance it so that it's not as powerful as it is currently. Because the hover scooter is basically busted. But okay, so the player might be tricked into going this way. I don't even know what this is, or where this goes. Well, I guess this wouldn't be terrible, because the player would be like, oh, there's just, like, I can put, like, a bug there or something. Alright, where am I? I'm probably... I gotta redo the map. I should also check if the saving and quitting works, but... Okay, so I probably went... Oh, I just went up here. So that's chunk... The very edge of 67, 68, and 80. So yeah, let's go to chunk 80 then. Content. Oh, I didn't even know that I had 80. I guess it must be stuff on the other side. Oh yeah. Okay, let's preview the neighbors because I have no idea what I'm looking at. Oh wait, no. Okay. So we need a rock right here, I think, to indicate to the player. Position. This will be zone cliffs. And let's put rock 13. I forgot how big this is. Yeah, this will actually be useful. I was like, oh wait, no, the player can just climb here, but no. That's pretty big. Okay. Hey, and look, my save and quit actually works. Okay, so when the player's down here... Oh, this is actually pretty easy. Yeah, I guess this just helps the player know, like, oh, okay, I'm meant to go this way. And I guess there should be, like, some signs of human existence here. Like, because how else do people get up here? I guess it could be mostly like goat herders. And then you just find their like little fields and like, or like little cleared off pastures and fences and stuff like that. Oh, it's actually not that bad to get up here. It's just kind of boring. Oh wait, no. This isn't... I thought this was the wall for being up here. No, this is still... Definitely... Still got a ways to go. And I think this is the right way. Because we do have these cliffs. Okay, there we go. Up there is the wall. So yeah, it's a little... It's also just a little bit, like, chunky looking. There we go. Now the player's up here. And, oh, I modified it just enough to mess up all of my, oh, right, no. This stuff was already modified, because I, like, added the bevel and then didn't properly, like, attach things to each other and stuff. So, yeah, this area's, yeah, okay, so this area is slightly different now. It has officially been made uncool. Did I? Huh. I guess I kind of just messed up everything. Oh well. Do I want to... Do I want to read... How much of this stuff do I have to redo? And if it is a lot, I'll just add the triangulate modifier and not any of the other stuff. Because I'm just not in the mood to, like, have to redo a whole bunch of things. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. So here's the one place where I'd need to do that. And then I think the waterfall up there I'd have to redo, but that's okay. I'll just put that in the to-do list. Because the point of it is to just make this area playable, and now it is playable. So I'll just put in wherever it is, Chicebury. So like features, I don't know, bugs. Update the environment in Chicebury due to new terrain, or due to updates. Okay. Because I was in here. Oh wait. Make the cliffs more dramatic? Was that what that said? Oh wait. I see. All this stuff now. I don't actually need this here. I can do that. And I'm going to move all of these. Maybe I should put this in features. So, let's put features. No, that doesn't feel right. This will be here. Let's uncomplete that. Let's say improve the way up the mountain lake. Goat herders. And then we can just put this into major quests. Yeah, quests, major letter delivery. Okay, somebody should hint that you can find Natya up by the waterfall. They do now, I think, yeah. Because it's in like 057. Because these guys should have villager, Yakazi, Chicebury NPC. Yeah. And they all say the same thing because it's a good video game. Okay, and there should be a way up the waterfall. There is now. Natya and Yomi should follow you / meet you at the place. I'll just put that in features. Because that is something that I want in the final version of the game. That's not something I need now. Should be marked on your map. What should be marked on your map? To meet you there. So better sleep UI. I already have that as the thing. Ability to talk to Natya about Mama even if you skipped it earlier. So I do have this. If we go to... Oh wait, no. I don't have that. But I can do this. So for Natya and Naomi. No, not yet. So, back. Have either of you ever met a named Tara Silva? You're related to her, aren't you? Are you her daughter? Okay, so let's just copy and paste this stuff about Mom. And then this will be not just stats and not global dot stat ny Anatya Yomi medium. This would be interesting, actually. So I'm gonna do... So you can tell just by looking. So this will do stat plus mum slash Zemble. Well, let's do a resemblance. Alright, so let's also have like subtopic mum jokes somewhere in here. Basically, there should be... Let's do this. All right. So this is subtopic funny mum stuff. This is basically just common dialogue that I'm going to have between all of them. Okay. I'll just do this. Oh, I know. I guess I'll have this have a similar thing. So basically this will be a little optional, just tiny bit. Go back here.
Main system engaging combat mode.
I can certainly see it. Let's just say yes. Okay. Alright, let's do like tell me, you remember, right? And then we'll just do subtopic mum stuff Okay. Alright, let's do plus stat. No, I know. So we do have not global stat. Okay, so we do get this, and we get... Let me search this. So... And so let's remove this here, not just slash chat. Or global slash not just slash chat. Let's do not just slash medium. So not completed and global or stats not just slash that. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Not yet. Any time. I'll... Okay, I have a few more stories about her if you ever want to hear more. Or if you ever want to hear more, I'll just ask. Okay, so now the player can actually do this dialogue. Even if that's done, some more effects. More effects for the liberate. Oh wait, more about this. So this is more stuff. So I don't even remember what this is about. I think everything is marked on the map, isn't it? Yeah. This is going to be just put up into here. So that's now complete. Plateau town. Okay. Bit status. Get at dot. Git commit m letter delivery stuff. I'm getting my brain fried. Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna look away from the screen for a little bit just to, like, rest my brain. So I think I've been drinking more water today, but I think for the past few days I haven't been drinking enough. Because I just have that, like, I don't know. I can feel when my brain is dry, so to speak. Not literally, but... Well, maybe actually literally. Okay. So something's wrong with my canopy tent UV maps. Let's go to that. So I think it's city? No. Shop? Where did I put the tent? Because that's gonna be... Stone, Transit, Valor, Vehicles, Vishar, Ancient... Empire? Okay. I think I see the malfunction here. Well, also, first off, this should be... Well, no, I guess that is correct. Okay, so this... I don't like this. Actually, I have a better idea, even. Follow active quads. Reset. And then do a follow active quads. And then we can do what? R and 80. And I think, well, I guess we should probably not have it completely like repeat. I guess that's fine. So this, yeah, that, okay. So this might be okay. I don't think it actually is a tiling texture though, now that I think about it. Oh. Probably fine. Okay, let's see this in action. The only one of these I know... I guess I know a few of them. There's one in P City and there's one in Crab Hill. Because I need to check them with the actual materials applied. Alright, and this is gonna kill us, I think. Okay. What is C? Not stat, question mark, Jackie, medium news TV. Alright. I know which one that is. Jackie / medium news TV. Actually, I guess I can just look for not stat question mark. Kinda nice to have this dialogue all asserted. Okay. Okay, TP, terrain, the city. Oh, there we go. You know, there's actually something kind of neat about the fact that, like, when you're in the pause menu proper, because it just takes a screenshot of what's in the background and disables the camera, the grass doesn't move. But then in this wardrobe mode, the fact that these shaders don't respect the pause menu actually kind of looks like it's deliberate. Because it's like, oh, like, you know, the world is paused, kind of. You know, because you can look around and stuff. But yeah. Basically, post hoc justification of my own, lack of desire to fix bugs. Let's see, here... Okay, so there's a seam. I can make that look a little better. Let's do, like, just slightly. So I'm thinking maybe just, yeah, a little bit past this, so that way they're not perfect. But reasonably close. Oh, music died. It's so aggressive about, like, not playing music. YouTube hates music. Like, this wouldn't happen if I was... Actually, would it happen if I bought YouTube Music? I bet it would. Like, sure, you're paying $35 a month or whatever ungodly amount of money that YouTube charges for, like, YouTube Premium, but, you know. But okay, now this actually looks good. This top part could look better. Because I think, honestly, it would be better if these were considered, well, would it be better if these were 4 separate pieces, or is it fine just to have the one? I think it's fine just to have the one. And was this a won't ship feature? I guess not really, but... Place to find the bubble shot, some stuff to platform on. I think I did that one already. Because I think now there is a cool place... Damn, my computer is blazing hot. Here. Is this... Oh wait, no, this is where to get a telescope. No, there is a place to find the bubble shot. It's 085. Though I think maybe there should be more indication that there's interesting stuff here, so what I'll do is maybe add an alternate place to put it sometime soon. Oh wait, no. Okay, I was saying that there should be a bubble shot in the town. Do I agree with that? You know, because I might have just been in a weird mood when I was running this place. You know what? Fuck it. Okay. Active entities. City. Where is the wave shot pickup? You know what? Let's gamer it up then. I'll just put this here, and eventually there could be a more graceful place to put it. Wait, why is this like... Wait, huh? What am I editing? Like, why was... It just let me click... Why is it letting me click this? This isn't even editable. Or at least it's not supposed to be. Okay, whatever. Let's see if it works. I bet you it didn't. Yeah. The game was just crusty. Or the engine itself is just kind of busted. There we go. So now the player, if they come up here, they can find a cool, dazzling secret. And we also need a chair. And we need some, other stuff. Alright, so we got NPCs, we got the Dibblies. And we got city as a whole. So let's put a chair here. So whoever was here was shirking on their duties. Drinks. Would they have a 6-pack under here? I don't think they would. Cancel that. I'll just leave it at that for now. Now the player can get one of these things. Why did Orstad not react to the research folder? Oh, right. Because I didn't set this up properly. So if we go to Orstad, We go to research folder. Now there should be item, research papers. Okay. Wait. Oh, wait. Is it called research papers or research folder? It's called research folder. That explains why that didn't do that. Rosma, fade to black when the hotel guy gets the papers because can't be bothered to animate him. That's perfectly fair. Let's go to the iHost. So this is old feeling iHost. Walks or papers. Search folder. So the manager goes out for a few minutes. Fade out. Fade in. I can just do player fade out. Let's just say, like, the manager escorts you to the room and finds a folder. You come back with the folder. Okay. Complete. We already talked our way through the checkpoint or stud. Let's see where that is. So that should be, I think I already put this in here. So, like, where do we go from here? So not stat checkpoint access and not stat that. Oh, okay, I see. So this is that and that. So main speaker at plateau. Now the checkpoint's open. We should go back to Brosmet and through the checkpoint. Oh, wait. Okay, that's fine. Main speaker at plateau gulch. We're in the gulch now. So a lot of these are going to have this. So let's do like this here. Well, we should just, or well, now that we can get through the checkpoint, should simply, let's have this as like not stat, so that way I can have this stuff here chronologically. So now that we can get through the checkpoint, there's no reason not to gulch, unless you want to. Or there's no reason to stay here in the gulch. Or, well, we already have permission to go through the checkpoint. So there's no reason to stay here unless you want to. We can just go to Brosnan. We could just go through and save ourselves a climb. Or we could just go on the road to Rosman and save ourselves a climb. Okay. Actually, and there's no comma there. It's not a it's just a separate clause, not a sentence. But okay. And main speaker at Brosman. Now that that's open. Okay, the city's right over there. Okay. All that stuff, a-okay. Gotta talk our way through that. Okay. More ruins, more stuff, more discussion with Orsted. Okay, so this goes into just the quest. Because it's playable, but I don't want that. Okay, so is she mandatory in the first draft or not? I guess she is not. Or I'll say no. Complete. So actually, let's just cut her. So that'll be just here, auto load. Persephone will simply not be enabled. Okay, wait. Let's put this as, like, fixes. And that's gonna be in Persephone. Because now Persephone is gonna be back down low. I guess lower than in another life, because that's a quest that I just want to have. But okay. Git diff projects Godot. Okay. Persephone is cut until September, or until the next phase. Some fixes for Old Feeling. So yeah, Persephone is an interesting character, and I like her interactions with Jackie, but I can't actually figure out how she is actually significant to the plot. But then again, what is a plot without texture? Nah, a bad plot. And I'd rather have a bad plot than no plot. Or like a bad framework to build on than no framework at all, that I'm just building on like giant tumors or something. But okay, more ways to attract suspicion. This... I think all this stuff is like secondary. So nightlight there. Hints about the strange lamp. Explain why other guards can't help you. An intro where Jackie's mom becomes human. I think I already did that. So yeah, if we go to the medium, there should now be like human. So global.mum/human. Oh. I'm surprised how different the medium chose to make you look. So maybe medium/little man? Huh. I guess I don't have that. Well, let's do that. So this is going to be native intro, I guess. No, I guess this should be... Otherwise, stat... Oh. Because it's not mum/little man, it's medium/little man. Okay. Okay, so you look different. I do? I thought I always looked like this. Okay, an intro where Jackie's mom becomes human. So, literally just because I had a bug. And this... I mean, this is good, so I'll just keep this here. Okay, so now bugs are either fixed or sorted. Small typo. I mean, I guess not really a small typo, it's just a bug caused by a small typo. Put compass on the map. That's more of a feature. Potentially always sort tasks by... Oh wait, no. Okay, possible bug, no tutorial for telescope. I'm pretty sure there's always a tutorial for when you get new equipment that says, like, you know, here's the button to get new equipment. Like, if I go to this guy... what do you have? Let's do... I don't care. I'm just gonna go over here. I mean, admittedly, it'd be faster to just cheat and give myself the money and buy it, but I don't care. It's just nice to walk over here, because I think this is one of the areas that has, like... I think it's the right level of density for the area. Like, there's a few interesting buildings. Actually, I might remove that Sirdi thing. Like, it doesn't really... Or just make it more interesting. Okay, so how do you get up? Oh, right. You have to use this. You know, he should have a coat. Yeah, like you always get this equipment. And you get the hold to swap item thing. Okay, but also, let's go to rain check. Wait, I already have it. This guy should drop a coat. Drops coat. Health will be 50. And his damage will be 15. He will be the deadliest guy in the whole world. And in fact, he will go up to fashionable and dazzling. In fact, dare I say, what if we do like 70 and 15? See, now we got a spooky guy. And he doesn't reset. And it's so much more convenient to have the save and quit just save my position. Ooh, golly. There we go. It looks like shit. Isn't that depressing? And we got two with the same pattern, different color. Astonishing. Tragedy. How disappointing. What I should do is add some ambient occlusion to the vertices as well. I should do that with all of the models. Because it just add a subtle bit of, well, I could also just paint the textures on the models. Or anything with the main spatial. Well, no, now that I think about it, it'd make complete sense to use the ambient occlusion channel. Man, it's hard to aim without aim assist. Man, the dead zone is bad as well. Yeah, I need to have a control for the dead zone on the controller. Okay. Oh wait, wrong thing. I meant that. There we go. So that does whatever it did. The crawler? Just that? I don't even remember if there was a thing. Oh, right. Yeah. There was no bug. And I'm going to be generous. I'm going to consider that a fail to reproduce. Okay. Make the road up the plateau not complete garbage. That would be work. More work than I want to do right now. So let's go to major quests. Let's put that under an old feeling. Walking animation should have footstep sounds. Let's do that. Okay, so we need this thing. Goodbye. This thing. Not quite. Aha, here. Okay, so we touch down. Right, like here. Well, actually, I guess this... How does the run loop work? And actually, I should probably do this after I make the walk cycle slower. That could be a fun project to do right now. Because that'll be engine code. Let's try it. So where is relative? Make animation blending use relative time. Okay. Sublime. So this will be in, I believe, scene, animation, animation, blend, node, something or other. Somewhere in here. Blend? Isn't it like just... No, I guess it's not blend. Time? Animation length? Animation... Okay. Animation node, animation process. Okay. Blend input. That's what we do. So we are going to do some tricky stuff here, I think. Alright, so how does this work? So it fails if there are no inputs. Or no, I see. It fails if the input is bigger than the inputs. And then we blend tree cast to animation blend tree parent. Ooh, this actually just, I just realized this only does one animation. I think, at least. Okay, underscore blend node. Okay, I knew there was an underscore blend node. So animation node underscore blend node. Connections, new parent node, seek blend, filter action, blah blah blah. P node blends dot size not equal to blend dot count. Okay, so this is a thing that I've had to fuck with before, and it's incomprehensible. Okay, I should figure out first of all what I actually want it to do. So like, let's say we have animation A. It has a length, it has a blend amount, or let's just say length frames. Animation B has length frames. And then we have like blends. A is 0, B is 1. So current frame should be a.length. Or like, what it is right now is basically like lerp a.frames, b.frames, blend, you know? But we actually need, or and then it's like, so current frame time. So, you know, this, none of this is really accurate to like the actual specific implementation, but like we have some frames and we're at a current time we're getting frames and we're like interpolating and whatever else. But then we're just blending between those based on some factor. And so what we need to do is we need to make sure that all of them map from like 0 to 1 in time. And so like, let's do like, relative time equals, when it's 1, it should be, hang on, I need to draw this out. Or like, let's say relative length equals lerp a.length b.length blend. And then, or so this is going to be like blended length. Let's make some nice pseudocode here. So yeah, the blended length is the lerp of the length of A and the length of B. And so that means that the relative length A equals A divided by, or A.length divided by blended length. Relative length B is B.length divided by blended length. How do we get, what do we do with the current time though? Because they should still be going at the same speed. Maybe this should be time divided by, like time divided by relative length A and then time divided by relative length B. I don't think this is quite right, because if, let's say that length A, or like the animation A is longer than animation B, which means like we have a walk cycle and we have a run cycle. So as we blend into the run cycle, as it gets to 1, it needs to get higher. So that means this relative length A needs to get higher. Or it needs to get higher faster. And this would not do that. This would get lower. Okay, so this feels... This is the speed that I want. Because this would be like... Okay, so this is like speed A. But that's not... It doesn't actually get up to the correct time then. Because they still both need to be going from 0 to 1 at the correct amount of time. Oh wait, no, that would be right. We would just do, instead of time divided by that, we'd do time... Oh, so I guess it was actually correct. So yeah, at 1 it's fine. Let's say, you know, A is half the size of B, and if we're all the way toward B, this is going to be doubled. And then if we're all the way toward A, this is going to be halved. So okay, they should always loop at the same time now. And then we need to figure out how do we like linearly, or how do we like loop properly then? Because the time will always be kind of different. I guess we would just do like while, or like time equals time f mod blended length. And I guess this actually equals that. Okay, so now I need to figure out where any of that is done here. Because I think if I go to like animation blend space 1D, for example, how would we like process? Only one point available, just blend this. Okay, I see. No, I don't. How does blend node work? So yeah, let's go back to this. The blend count is the blends.size. So this is a list of animation... What the hell is this? Where's blends.size? I guess maybe in blends then? Okay. And it's just a list of weights, I'm assuming. So if pnode.blends.size is not equal to blend count, then pnode_blends.resize that. Blend W. Hmm. Bool any valid equals false. And let's actually have, I guess I need like a relative blending thing here. So bool filter enables relative time. Set filters, get filters. And then void set relative blend or relative time bool is relative time. Okay, let's go to set filter enables. Okay, relative time equals p relative return relative time. Okay, so now we'll only fuck up all the time stuff if we're doing the length thing. So we actually need, so for a thing that's like this, we would need to do, I guess, oh, what the hell, how the hell would we do this? For like the infinity whaler. Because we can't just have the relative amount be 0. Somebody texted me, and it could be important. Oh, hey, it's my dad. I'll say, not much. Working on my game. How are you? Yeah, we actually haven't heard from him in a few days. I wonder what he's been up to. Maybe he's just busy. Because he's getting a job in Antarctica, which is very exciting. But okay. Blend node. So we don't need to worry about filtering else that. Oh wait, actually. Okay, that's fine. P-seek and P-optimize and not any valid. Oh, and not seek, okay. I guess has filter and filter enabled and filter is not equal to that, else for this. Okay, I see. I see. I think this is too late. Because I think blends. What the hell's blend W? P node blends. Yeah, this is I don't actually know where any of this stuff is. Because like is this the only thing that's here? Like it just find count one I. I don't understand what I'm looking at. Because it must... so the animation blending must be done earlier? Or maybe it's because it gets all of the frame timing at a different point in the thing. So I need to go probably to just wherever... .blend node. Oh, wait. Okay. That's not as bad. Well... state machine, blend node. Isn't this... why is this... how is this not being used somewhere? Oh, wait. Because it's not being used as a pointer, it's just being called, because it's a method in the thing. Yeah. So, like, what the hell's p time used for? Okay, so it's p node pre-process. So if we go here, constant blah 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 blah. So that just does process in the animation blend tree. Let's just look at one of these. I guess let's look at a different one of these. Okay. I pressed the wrong button. I meant this one. What the fuck? Blended, put... oh, okay, it's not blend... it's not... okay. Wait, what? So blend node calls pre-process. And then pre-process... oh, I understand now. It's recursive because it's going through the tree of nodes. So I think at the very base of this is going to be an animation node animation. And then this is actually going to do something with the time, because this is actually what does the animation stuff. Okay. So that makes sense. So I think what I need is some horrible thing with the timing there. And also I just realized we can just divide by the length of the animation thing, and then we'll get the like correct length. So I need to somewhere actually have a function to blend the like list of lengths and get a new list of lengths, and then for each item in the thing, or no, we just get the overall, like we get a relative speed, which is just so it'd be more like current frame time so like length equals 0. Or like blended length time for be in blends length plus equals blend dot length or like it'd be like dot animation dot length, and then like weight equals 0, weight plus equals blend dot blend factor. So like basically then we would do if weight not equal to 0, return length divided by weight, else either no blends or something is wrong. Turn 0. Okay, and this would actually be blended length as well. Okay. Basically, the only node that would need a custom method for this blended length is the animation node animation, which would just return its length. So let's go through. Let's go to the animation node. So animation tree .h. So we're gonna have a whole new thing. So so we got float blend node. We're gonna also get floats blended length. So how the fuck do I do this then? Like, do I need all of this stuff? Because I don't think I do. I think I just go through the, like, children nodes. But let's double check how this works. So, like, if we go up to here, or if we go to, like, blend points.I. Okay, I see. So, like, this probably has a list called blend points. So we don't actually have a dedicated way of blending each child node, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay, so every single one of these will have to have a unique method. Where's animation tree.h? There it is. Okay. Blends length. Yeah. And I guess it's constant. And this would not. I guess this wouldn't be. Well, this would be protected. Get blended length. And then there'd be like I guess it's virtual. Oh wait, we already have get child nodes, so we don't have to bother with that. And then we can just get this up to, like, here. Nah, we'll have it here. So then, for each of these animations, we'll just divide by the whatever thing. Okay. I think now I have the power, so let's go to... What's the method right up next to us? So, blend that, blah, blah, blah. Let's do make invalid. So, void, no, floats, animation node, Get blended length for C in get child nodes. So we'll just do like float total weight 0. Total length equals 0. So we're gonna need blend points used, I to S. Child nodes push back. So what is a child node? Okay, ref string node. Okay, so we'll just do c dot node dot. Well, oh, actually. Ugh. So does this mean that we don't have the get child nodes? Is this used anywhere? No, we just have that and then mine. Oh wait, no, we have here. Okay, so this does this. Update properties for node. Animation child node. What a fucking mess. Because I need to make sure that I get the blends for the child nodes. Wait, why is it doing I to S? Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, wait. We have blend points. Dot node. I didn't even realize. Oh, wait. No, okay. That's because that's there. So, hang on. Let's go to the other implementations of this. Nodes.front.blah. Yeah, I gotta figure out if these blend, or if these match the order of the blends. Because if they don't, I'll just fucking figure it out. But okay, animation tree. Get blended length. Lists child node children equals. Or no. Blend. Can I like reserve stuff? Erase clear. I don't think I can. I don't care. So get child nodes at children for child node. So can I do like reference child node C in children? How the fuck does a for each loop? I don't think there is for. I don't think there are for each loops. I just realized in Blender. Or not Blender, C++. I barely ever use C++. So it should be like for something dot front probably. Oh no, we can just do this, maybe. Oh no, it's a linked list. Okay. Thank you. For child node pointer C equals children dot front C C equals C dot next. I think. No, this isn't right. Did it, like, not have the fucking thing open? Jesus Christ. It's like, just open it. Just open the thing that I was looking at. Okay, so what is data? Underscore data. So pushback, operator, index. So, like, if we did, like, front. Okay, const element pointer IT. So we're just gonna do auto e equals children dot front e e e. Oh, wait, no, and this should be get. In the same list, please. Front. Let's see if we get actually like a... Okay, it does work like that. Because then we can just do total length plus equals e gets dot get blended length. So this actually does need to be a virtual function. So let's go to animation tree, virtual get blended length. I forgot about that. Okay, and then total length, so or like blend index. Index plus equals blends index plus plus. Or no, this is total blends. If total weights greater than 0, return total length divided by total weight, else return 1. Okay, so this should normalize it to the correct thing. And then the last thing I would need is animation node animation. Wherever that is. Huh, it's in here? I guess that makes sense. Wait, why are they weird? Oh wait, no, okay, I see. Kind of. So wait, what is the, like, bottom type? Oh wait, I know. Animation node root, maybe? No, wait, no. This is just the class here. Oh no, okay, I think this is correct. Yeah, because this should actually have... This looks like it actually has the animation, maybe. No, wait, no, I don't think so. Productivity map, update properties for node. Okay, let's go through, like... I don't know. I think it is animation node animation. Because I can at least set this here. So, like, function, or like float get animation node animation get blended length const return animation length. Okay, let's see if this will work. Because I need to actually see if it has an animation. No, the animation is just the string. Ah, shit. How do we get the time for this then to process? Animation node animation. So we need to go to animation blend tree, which is apparently too good for me. Okay, get parameter if, okay. If not ap.has animation, what is animation player? Okay, good. Get blended length. Animation player AP equals state player. Error con fail, not APV. Current time equals get parameter this time. I don't need that. If AP has animation, return AP get animation. Get length. Else return 0. Though actually, this could cause issues. I'll have to figure those out. Because this would mess up the length of other animations, so like, yeah. Because this would speed up, or it would cause something like that, speeding up animations as it blends to it, which I guess makes sense. It's an animation of 0 frames, essentially. And this is only used when we do the relative blending. Oh, man. Oh, wait, I think... Okay, good. I don't need to actually set all of these for all of these. Because I should just be able to do... animation node. Or animation tree. Blend methods. Or no. Bind methods. Okay, so I'm gonna get... What are the things that we have? Set filter enabled is filter enabled. So we have similar to these. Relative time. Relative. Okay, set relative time is relative time. And then we can also have a property. So blend animation. Nah, this is fine. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, I want this. Add property, property info. Self filter enabled is filter enabled. Relative time. Property hint usage no editor. Let's do not that then. Well, I guess it's fine. So eventually I'll have to figure out how to actually set this relative time in the editor. But for now, the question is, where the hell do I actually use this now? Because I think what I need is for... Well, let's try, like, C, Tools, Godot. Thank you, YouTube, for killing my music again. Wait, status? Oh, we're in the... What branch are we in? Ah, yikes. All of my changes were, Hang on, let's do... Git... Clean... X... No, DF. I'm not going to clean ignored files. But I have no idea what these are, so just remove those. Oh shit, I also removed all of these CMake lists that I just made. Add star.txt. Some CMake stuff I broke. Git stash. Git checkout B. No, git checkout Jackie 3.x. Git stash pop. What the fuck? Oh, wait, I see. I need to do git clean. There we go. Okay. Because the reason I have that CMake branch is just because CMake compiles a lot faster than scons, but I also haven't added all of the features yet, so it's technically broken. But eventually, I will make it work. And it will have all of the options, well, the options that I care about. And it will work beautifully and be wonderful. But until then, I have to content myself with, you know, a 30-second startup where it's just checking what things need to be compiled. Ugh. But okay, at least this seems like it's going pretty quick. Did it work? No, okay. Overloaded member function not found in animation node. Animation node get blender. What did I do? Get blended length. Did I put it in the wrong thing? No, animation node. Yeah, that should be fine. And then get blended length. Oh wait. That there? Float animation node overloaded function not found. So this is 144. Float animation node. Get blended length. So is it, do I need like virtual? No, I don't think that's correct. Hang on, I'm going to turn on a light. It's starting to become winter again, and I don't like it. It's getting darker. Okay, get blended length member function not declared in get animation. So that is still the thing. Get blended length virtual specifier illegal on function definition. Okay, so that's there. Oh wait, it's because it's const. It's like, well, I don't know what you're talking about. There is no get blended length. There's a get blended length const. Oh wait, no, it doesn't even say that. I don't know what you're talking about. No, okay, so that wasn't the right answer. Get blended length member function not declared in note. See declaration of animation node animation. Is it because this is... No, that should be there. Get blend... Oh, wait. I see. Okay. It's because this needs now the virtual, I think. Somewhere in here. I think this needs to be here. Maybe that'll work. Child node does not have an overloaded member operator dash. Oh, okay. And also .get .node, because it's the child node then has the thing. Okay. Slightly better. 148. Void animation node get child nodes. Cannot convert this pointer from const animation node to animation node reference. default or pointer? Can I convert this pointer from const animation node to animation node reference? What the fuck? I guess I could do like this. Get child nodes. Okay. See declaration of animation node get child nodes. I guess I will. How does this not have it working? So, animation node. Okay, there we go. So if script instance, then we do that. Otherwise, we don't do the other things. Okay, so that should be... I mean, this seems like it should be good. No? Okay, interesting. I don't... Oh, it's default allocator. Get child nodes. Animation node child node default allocator. What? I mean, it doesn't have allocator. Oh, I see. Oh, no. Okay, so this is a type of this. Okay. Because it's a list child node pointer. Cannot convert this pointer from const to animation node reference. What the fuck does that mean? Cannot convert from const this. Oh, wait, no, I get it now. Okay. I see. It's because it's a const. It's because I'm calling a non-const method from a const function. Like it could have just said that. It could have just said, "Hey, get or child nodes is not const." I mean, it should be. Maybe that'd just be too complicated. Okay, let's go to the get blended length. So yeah, don't need const there. Thank you, C++. This is why I love programming in C++. Because get blended length. Because of course, when you call a const function or a non-const function from a const function, the error message is cannot convert this from const animation to animation node reference. It's like how when a value is invalid, it like defaults to being of type int anytime it's used, so then there's like a billion other compiler errors because you didn't expect an int somewhere, and you have to go up through the chain to figure out where it actually is. Whatever. So this at least compiles, but it doesn't do anything. Because I still need to figure out where the blended length is going to be. Because yeah, this time here. If p seek p time, else time equals max of 0 time plus p time. Oh. Oh wait, no, I guess that makes sense. You multiply it by the length, or by the, okay. So whenever we do a process, blend nodes. Not quite. Animation. Blend space, okay. See, I need to figure out where these animations are blended from. Node process? Nope. Alright, let's start with the blend space 1D. Blend points use blend node, blah blah blah. So time. So weights, blend points, I dot position. So this time should be like times the relative speed. So it should be like oh god. I don't think this is gonna work so hot. Yeah, I give up. Git commit AM. So this stuff works. It's just not going to do anything. Of the skeleton for blends or for relative time blending. But I don't want to bother. Yeah, apply that. Okay. So, eventually, the algorithm is here. So I'll just put that in my features. Animations use relative time. So blended length. Length equals 0, weight equals 0, 4, blah, blah, blah. It'll be beautiful. One of these days. Okay, potentially always sort tasks by recency. I think I'll do that one instead. Okay, so this, don't need that. E1605 objects. What did I even say I was going to do? Potentially sort tasks by recency? Yeah. So these are going to be... let's do like recency. Because I think for places, or tasks, oh, dot reverse. I know what to do. IDs equals. Let's just do that. So for I in IDs dot size, IDs I. So var temp equals IDs I. Var IDs I equals IDs IDs dot size minus I minus 1, and then last J, or like let's do like end equals that. So size minus I minus 1. So that should be... oh, I guess we can actually do divided by 2. Point oh, and then like ceiling. Hang on, I need to figure this out. So if we had like 0, 1, no, we did floor. So in fact, this should be fine like this. Excuse me. Because we would not flip this one. So we'd go 0 and then flip. And then we would not do that. Because that's 1. And 1 is bigger than that. And IDs end equals temp. Okay, so I think now we have flipped them in order. I think this is okay. I think this is what I do. Yeah, because this is only when we do the populate list. This is for like subjects. Yeah, when sort is sort by subject. So this should mean that the most recently created task is at the top, I think, maybe. Oh wait, no, I just realized the entire point of this was actually the opposite. Or no, not... what am I trying to say? If I go to the journal, if I go to tasks, which I don't have any tasks. Oh wait, because I didn't actually do anything in this game. There's just like no clip around. So we should have so now let's go to the journal. Okay, village gate, activate the medium. So far, so good. I think these should be, so how does this go? Okay, activate the medium. So I should do something with more things. Okay. Made a distress man. Okay, do I want these flipped though? I think I do actually. So I think that would just be if we go through the notes by tag and then we flip them. So IDs.duplicate. If IDs.empty, return blah. And then IDs are util.reverse. I'm sure there's like a... There's not a reverse function? Okay, that'll be fine then. I just realized this is still not in the correct place. This, I don't need this here. I need this in the, I need this when we actually draw the list of things. Because this is when we do focus entered on subject focused. Yeah, so here we do write notes N. And then util reverse N. So static func reverse E array void. I like the lists. I wonder if this would work. Okay, there's a strange tablet. Okay, so now it actually does... So now it does what I think it should do. Sort by recency, then sort chronologically, then sort by subject. And now... And maybe these should be in the same order? Like, I could just do that with all of them. In fact, I am going to. Let's go back to the journal. Because now we just have a convenient little function. Because then we can just do this. In fact, that shortens it. Yeah. Now the most recent person, place, and thing is at the top, and the least recent are at the bottom, which admittedly does mean that mum gets kind of lost. Maybe like mum should be starred or something like that. Because I guess you could just sort. Okay. But let's say let's call that good for now. Git status Y, or all of these done. UI. Or git add UI. Oh, right, because I was fiddling with the animation stuff. I don't need to bother. Sort, or like, prioritize recent entries. Okay. Git reset hard because none of that matters, and I don't want to commit junk. And then, yeah, the medium menu. That's good. Oh, wait. Let's go back to bugs, though. Fix the profiler logging. I could go back to that and try to get another engine win. Because if we go to core profiler, somewhere in here, probably in the P section. So yeah, OS get singleton get ticks usec. Oh. No wonder it's so fucking bad. I switched it to use the wrong thing. I switched it to use like Windows stuff instead. So ifdef np profiler. So let's get some monotonic time. Or like let's get like precise timestamps. Windows? Or precise? Because I think there's an inline assembly instruction, because there's this query performance counter on Windows. So let's do like hashtag if def win32 else and if because I think hang on, let's search for if def win32 like I guess just anything. Okay. Yeah, I guess if def Windows enabled on Windows. Okay. So Windows enabled. I'll try going back to I guess I can just do actually I want to trying to figure out what I want to do for the static time. I guess I'll keep this as it is. So it'll be a 64-bit integer, probably, I guess. Oh, okay. We can just do this. So tix.quadpart. That's fine. if def windows enabled, large integer time, query performance counter time, return time dot quad part. And if it fails, I'm not gonna fight it. Okay, otherwise we'll get singleton get ticks usec, because I don't think that works very well. But okay. Because this should be approximately right, I think. Though I do think this won't, for device drivers kernel mode API, interesting. For managed code. So QPC is independent of and isn't synchronized to any external time reference. So to retrieve time stamps that can be synchronized, universal core. High resolution time of day. So I don't need time of day. I just need like the seconds or like the nanoseconds. Well, probably microseconds is acceptably precise. Because I'm just getting a bunch of negative numbers when I do it. When I do this, though, using my current system. But okay, this should work. Because let's see, what's NP profiler do again? Log and wipe. So all this does is for each timestamp, it gives us the function name, the time that it took, the start, and then the end. In fact, let's just make sure. Well, I don't know if that exists. So, I mean, this should be it should always be bigger. But okay, let's just go back to Godot. Let's see if this works. And I think it's enabled by default, unless I didn't do that. NP profiler. Okay, it is default. It is enabled by default. Because otherwise, it has to, because it changes to define, it has to change literally every file, which is a nightmare. It'd be like 45 minutes. No, it'd be like 25 minutes. Still ridiculously long. But that's C++ for you. Shit's broken and nobody cares. But in 2027, maybe someday there'll be support for modules broadly. Because Scon still doesn't support it, which was another big reason I was switching to CMake. Okay, let's save and quit now. Let's go to the profiler. Profile log viewer. Okay, open, I think, this one. Okay, let's see if these actually, like, make sense. No, they don't. Start 17, end negative 7 billion. Actually, I have a great idea. What if I just make them unsigned? Like, hang on. Let's go to query performance. So, is it meant to be... Let's close that one with this one. So how is a large integer? Oh, interesting. But okay, I'm curious what large integer is. Your C compiler may support 64-bit integers natively. Okay. For example, Windows Visual C++ supports the int64 sized integer type. So why is it signed, though? But okay, so quad part is just a large integer. Of long. Yeah, I'll assume that it is, then why is it negative, though? Why would it be negative? Hang on. Because the point of the fix... Hang on, let's see what this actually does. Get ticks usec. OS get singleton get tick blah. So what does it do here? Okay, so that is basically what I would do. Okay, it already does exactly what I was intending it to do, so I don't even need this. Yeah, we can just not do anything with that because it's pointless. So the real question is, why is the query performance counter negative? Query performance counter is negative. Jesus Christ. Of course, Stack Overflow comes up on the number 1, and it's not the answer to the question. Because I am doing the end minus the start. Which is buffer I start time minus time. What the fuck is time offset again? I don't think I should do this. Wait, what is time offset? Where is this set? Profile manager. Oh, I guess, okay. It's because it's the frame. Like, that should be fine. I mean, I guess I could do, like, current time for that as well, but no, this should be fine. Just allow that. Okay, can this return negative? Sign of a problem in the system, perhaps even a BIOS configuration issue. Great. I mean, I guess the only thing that I could think of is that it is specifically this offset. So what I'm going to do is, what if we remove the time offset from it and test that? Because now they should all increase. Well, but then that means that the frame... How does this thing work again? So like on file selected. Split, so it logs 6 lines. Okay. Let's do like %D. And then this will be like current time. And so the very first number is going to be like the actual frame time. Maybe. I have a much better idea. Well, no, that wouldn't work. You know what? I'll just fucking... None of that's going to be the issue. I don't think. Yeah, I can't figure it out right now. And I need to pee. And it's 2 minutes until the stream is supposed to end anyway, so I'm just gonna do that. I failed the mission. 2 failures in the engine in a row. Alright. Get, reset hard. Push. And I can also do a push to the drive, because now I have my external drive set up as a repository that I can just push to. Which should make backing it up much less painful. Because before I would just delete the entire repository and then paste the new files in. But clearly wasteful, because that'd be like 5 gigabytes every single time. Now it's like just a few megabytes. And even though these assets are too big for any online hosts, I can still push them to the external drive as well. And get much better backups. And in fact, I should set this up for my other laptop, so that way I can just pull the assets and the project from, well, the project I can just pull from online, but the assets I could pull from the external drive. Oh, it's slow. Like, the crazy thing is, I'm pretty sure pushing to the internet is faster than pushing to my external drive. Yeah, look at that. Pathetic. Though admittedly, it does seem like the bottleneck is probably the actual files themselves. Whatever. I'll be back tomorrow with more fixes, more features, and more fun. See you then.